Ow.
Yay!
Numbers.
High five. Crazy. High five.
Oh, ow! I felt that just hearing it. You okay?
Nothing. This is nothing. This is nothing. Whoa. Hey, crazy. You good? You're getting psychopath.
Oops. You guys stay back. Come here. You know what? Oh, that was nice of Jaden. Thank you. It's okay, Liam. I've got you. No, I think he's tired and wants to go sleep. See?
No.
Ooh. Okay, Liam.
Boo. Bye. What are you doing? You trying to do that? You like the weirdest stuff. Nope.
No. Watch the feet there.
Take these heavy shoes off.
Hey, you. Hello. Hello, smiley boy.
Look, dear girl.
What am I looking? Oh, sorry. What am I looking at? Can't see that far. Sorry. Whoa.
That's something Jaden would do.
A little toy car.
Whoops.
You're so rough.
Oh, Carly's gonna bite him. Just keep him. I'll go put them in the playpen instead.
So rough, little boy.
He getting tired.
Ow.
No.
Do me a favor, Claudia.
Hmm?
Pick Liam up and put him in that playpen for me. He's just getting really nervous. Thanks. Not unless you want your finger off. Not unless. What, hey?
You have a hair shape.
Yes. Do me a favor and do the same thing with Carly. I don't know if she'll let you. All right, Carly, I got you. Come here.
Who are you calling? Hello?
Thank you. Be careful putting her down because she gets nervous about it. So watch your fingers the minute you drop her.
Hello? Hello? Oh. Oh God.
Yeah.
He's gonna get mad too. Issues. High five. Jaden, you're going to fall. I'm gonna let you fall so you realize you cannot get off this bed.
You want down? Then let